YouTube. As promised in one of my other videos, this video is going to be a short tutorial of how to solve the 2x2 without having any knowledge of any other Rubik's Cube stuff. So, obviously this is a 2x2 cube. It's an Ishin white, I think it's an A2 cube. I bought this from Cube for you. I'm just going to mess it up. So, first I'm going to give you an overview of this method, and I'm going to show you how to solve the first and the last layer. First, I want to show you what this method is, and then we'll show you the first layer. I'll probably show you the last layer in a separate video. So, the first step in here is to get the first layer. So what you do, in this case I got the white layer. What I did, I connected 4 white stickers, and I connected 2 other stickers, 4 other sets of 2 stickers each around it. So as you can see, this is completely done, everything here. And now everything just needs to be done here. And a somewhat more advanced method, or an intermediate, you'd solve the orientation all at once, and then make it so you have the permutation. So, in 3 steps, I just solved the 2x2 cube. With that method, I'm able to get sub 8 seconds, which is by my standards at least. And so now I'm going to show you guys just how to get the first layer, and then I'll end it there, and then I'll do the second layer there. Okay. First thing I do is look for the red, white, and blue corner. At least that's what you should do at the beginner level. Next thing you should do is put it in this position so it's at the bottom, so you can see it well. So you can see that the blue is here, the orange or pink is here, and the white's in the bottom. Next thing you want to do is look for either the piece that needs to go here, or the piece that needs to go here. The way you know which piece needs to go where is you look at 2 of the corresponding stickers, or adjacent stickers. In this piece I have white and I have blue, so I know that this has to be white and this has to be blue. And then I'm not exactly sure what the third sticker is, but we can figure that out pretty easily by just looking for a piece with these 2 stickers. That happens to be right here. If I move this up, it's in place, and as you can see, I have these 2 stickers are the same, these 2 stickers are the same, and these 2 are opposite. White and yellow are always going to be opposite, blue and green are always going to be opposite, and orange or pink and red are always going to be opposite. So that's just some background information to know. So the first step, no matter what you're doing, is to connect 2 pieces. So I usually start with the same pieces every time. This you should be able to do by yourself pretty easily. As you can see, I just got another one. And one thing I recommend you guys do is always get the white-blue pair first. At least for now, until you get more advanced. So, white-blue pair. That you have to do yourself. There's no way for me to completely explain to you guys how to do that. So, after you've done that, you want to get one of the 2 other of the white stickered corners. I see that there's one here, and there's one here. This one I can see that the white sticker is on the top, this one is on the back. From practice, I know that if I do a U move, which means I turn the up face clockwise, and then I do an R2 move, I can get that piece into place. Or if I do a U2 R prime, I can get that piece into place. I'll go over notation in another video that I'll link you to over there. If you want to see that, if you don't know what it means, you'll need it for the next video. Maybe not for this one, probably not. So, there's a few cases in here. You can either A, have a cube, the QB in the top layer, or you can have it in the bottom, these 2 positions. You always want to have these 2 pieces like this, facing down, with the white sticker facing down, on the left side, at this beginner level. If you have something like this, and you have the white sticker facing up, this is what you're going to want to do to put it in place. Put it in either of these 2 positions like this, and do an R2 move, turn it 180 degrees, and then look at the bottom. You'll notice that the white sticker is facing down, but it's not correct. So what you want to do, since it's not correct, you want to put it back up, move it so it's in the other position, and then try it again. It has to be in one of those 2 positions if white sticker is facing up. So if or if you have it like this, so you start off with it in the bottom already, then it's either in the right place or you need to do that, which is pretty intuitive. If you have something like where it's not facing the top, say it's facing away from you or to the left, like this sticker, this facing away from you, then you either go like this, say it's facing that way, like this one is, that I want to do, I want to make it so it's facing towards me like this, or making it so it's away from me like this, like this sticker is. And then what I want to do from there is move it down so it's connecting to the whites. So I put it and I simplify it into a spot that's kind of like this. In this case, I notice that's wrong, so I do the R2, U, R2, and it's in the right place. So, the last case is if you see it and it's facing to the left or to the right. And the way to fix that is just do a U move and it'll be fixed. So then you can just turn it into one of these positions pretty easily. Again, holding the whites to the bottom there. In this case, I know I just need to do an R2. Anyway, for the last corner of the first face, where what you want to do, no matter how you have it, is have it so it's facing, so it's on top of the empty slot. So this is the space that you know that this needs to go to, because this has the green, the white, and the red, and you know that the only white missing piece is there, and it's in between the red and the green. So you know that needs to go there. So what you want to do, if the case is facing up, is you want to just follow these moves. It's like 5 moves, it really shouldn't be that difficult. But anyway, if you know notation, I guess I should explain what that is in notation. So, it's going to be R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. Again, if you have no idea what kind of language I just spoke, go over there, there's going to be a notation video. So that's all for this video. I'll do my next video will be showing you guys how to do the entire last layer. It should be another video kind of like this length. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys understood it. If not, please tell me. This is very quintessential to your 2x2ing. So, have a good one.